Hello everyone and welcome to HowFixIT. On this technical channel, I take apart the devices and show you how to restore any electronic gadget. On the HowFixit channel, you will find many step-by-step video guides for repairing smartphones, disassembling laptops, game consoles, repairing quadcopters, and many other electronics. For example, your iPhone crashed and cracked glass. I will show you how to disassemble the phone, replace the broken screen, or restore the glass on the case. If your laptop is overheating during operation, I'll show you how to disassemble, clean it from dust, and replace the thermal grease. Maybe your drone crashed. I'll show you how to restore it. Also, you will find many other video instructions that save you time and money. All instructions are free and available to everyone. The HowFixit channel was especially created to assist in the repair. If you have a question, we will answer and help you fix your device. Stay on HowFixit and join our community.